ya kamiti yamure ya bungeni yagibururi igimainia na uthuthuria wa wadekithia wa rureda wa Worldcoin. Kamiti ino itafanetie uthuthuria wa igimainia no ria Worldcoin ya kurirwe gitikirio guku bururi-ini na mokite makana hihi mokire kuya irore cia maitho makiuga rureda ruru ruokite ta ruhonge rwa uthuthuria undu ria macokire kugaruka na gutafania maundu mao mwanya.
Maribere ya kamiti nyamure ya guthurima uria rureda rwa Worldcoin rwambikire safarira ciao bururi-ini. Kamiti ya uthuthuria ya NC4 ari National Computer and Cyber Crimes Coordination Committee na iria iri na wigiriki wa uthuthuria yonanitie Worldcoin yambiririe ta ruhonge rwa gwika uthuthuria indi rukigaruruka na gutuika ruhonge rwa uhuri wa biacara ya ng'enda-ini mugaru na watho wa bururi.
Just through what we did from research is that at the point of like I mentioned in Kenya, when they came in and started operations as research, then now they moved into universal basic income provision, and now they're into cryptocurrency.
Kuona yegereire ngumo kumana na kuoyo irore cia maitho ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rwa NC4 rugite gitumi kinene ni kuhota gutabura ngurani ya mundu na macini cia roboti irore cia maitho ni cia mwanya na gutire hindi ingikorwo ikigarurukwo wona cioywo. Rureda ruru ruri na kioneki gia kuingiria andu matanyihire bilioni 80 niguo kuhotana hari gutwarithia na biashara ya roboti cia guthondekwo.
Here is they are redefining the world order in terms of identification, and they are using the eye so that, of course, when you are able to come into contact with any input device that is connected to their system, then automatically they are able to know this is Dr. So and so from Kenya. This is
watho ni wakorirwo ukiunwo kuona mundu ndetikiritio gutwara data cia igimainia na mundu nja wa bururi. Indi rureda ruru irore cia maitho iria cioyagwo ikigithio ceceni-ini ya data iria iri Amazon Ngeretha. Kamiti ino ikihota gutambura andu eri aria makorirwo magitwarithia na mbere biashara ino guku bururi-ini.
Worldcoin registration in Kenya, are they in breach of any of the laws? Yes. We've already mentioned a few of those laws, especially the issue of onboarding. Data protection in this country, you are not allowed to export that data to an external storage device. We've already seen that the data was put to Amazon. We don't know what was put, how was it there. How can we access and that
ona ari uthii wana mbere na uri ukungwagirwo uyu ni urikitie kwandikithia ugwati hari ukuria wa bururi kuona ndungihota gwitio marehi ma igoti amuti wa guku bururi-ini ugituma mafegi maria mwokura mata mbeca cia bururi guku waganu ugithie na mbere gwikika kuhetukira marehi maria mekikaga thiini wa rureda ruru.
If taxes were paid, of course that now becomes a Kenya Revenue Authority responsibility to be able to explain if they were able to receive any taxes.
Ginyanagia na riu rureda ruru rwina huthiri matanyihiire milioni 2.3 ukona thengia ya Minister wa ugitari wa thiini Professor Kithure Kindiki kurugamia wadekithania aria meyandikithitie no marathie na mbere kuhura biashara ino kiriga gikiyumiria.
Now they have a timer that is indicating counting all over how people are getting into, and I think as of today morning it was clocking 2.3 million verified individuals.
Haduine hamu Thingi TV Riakone Maina wa Mshe.